Yo! We got a boat! Oh, Annie, I'm sorry. Okay, bye, Annie. Feel better. I'll see you in Discord. If you're around, hopefully I'll see you then. Oh, you have college that day. Got you, Bagables. I got you. Yo, this boat is so fucking slow. Holy shit. Yo, Dakilla. What up, man? How's it going? How was your Friday, man? You work Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday? Damn, Bagables. Damn. Damn. I get out of food at 1:50, usually. One day, 2:35, and 12 o'clock on Friday. Oh, got it. Okay. I should play on a boat? Wait, hold on. I have a good song to play. Watch, watch, watch. Here's a good song to play. Where is it? Okay, here we go. All right, the movie buffs will get this. We're going into the ocean. I feel so inspired now. I wonder how far I can go out. Let's just keep going. I'm thirsty.